Within this demo, we're going to demonstrate the analysis mode with Copilot. So Copilot is able to analyze your data and create analysis views for you from natural language that you enter. So for example, I'm going to navigate to the customer ledger entries. And I'm just going to come out of analysis mode. So within here, you get the Copilot option in the top left to start a Copilot prompt action. So if I click this and I click Analyze List, I'll get the option to describe what I'd like Copilot to do for us. So I'd like Copilot to show us all remaining amounts by customer. And I'm just going to click Generate. And as you can see, it's created an analysis view that shows the remaining amount per customer. What I can also do is if I want some more information, for example, I want the invoice numbers, I can come in and ask it to add more detail. So I'm going to ask it to add the invoice number. And now it has also added the invoice number, so I can have a breakdown of remaining amount by invoice number. With that concludes the demo on analysis views with Copilot within Business Central.